Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into your Hamster Kombat account. Since Hamster Kombat exists within the Telegram app, the first thing you'll need to do is to download and install the Telegram app onto your device. Once you've done that, launch it open, click on Start Messaging and enter your phone number for your Telegram account after selecting your country from the drop-down. Once you type in your phone number, click on the Continue button. Make sure you verify your phone number by entering the SMS code that you receive, and then you will be able to log into your Telegram account. After signing into Telegram, from the chat page, go to the search box at the top, type in Hamster Kombat and select this application where you will be able to see the blue tick mark. Now click on play at the bottom left. Wait for a few minutes and then you have successfully signed into your Hamster Kombat account. Telegram might request some permissions for the game to function properly. Grant these permissions for the game to access your Telegram account and track your progress. And now you should be able to start playing Hamster Kombat. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.